Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn some colors. Let's dive into the video. What is the color of this? This is a green color frog. What is the color of this? This is a red flower. What is the color of this? This is the lavender flowers. What is the color of this? This is an orange color. What is the color of this? This is a brown color. What is the color of this? This is a grey color car. What is the color of this? This is a blue color bus. What is the color of this? This is a white color van. What is the color of this? This is a black color cap. What is the color of this? This is a yellow color flowers. What is the color of this? This is a gold color flower. What is the color of this? This is a purple colored heart. What is the color of this? This is a rainbow colored umbrella. What is the color of this? This is a pink colored butterfly. Thanks for watching kids. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.